Greetings, everyone. I'm Dr. Achuo Ascensius Ambe Mforteh. I'm a gynecologist obstetrician from Cameroon in Central Africa. I registered for the DMAS course, which is a 1-month course. I found a program on the internet. I was scrolling and I found it. I did a bit of investigations and I saw that the course program met my expectations, so I enrolled. For the past 4 weeks, my expectations have, what I've gained in the program has surpassed my expectations. I came with basic knowledge in laparoscopy, but I'm going back confident that I have the skills to do laparoscopy. Laparoscopic surgical knots, it's difficult. It's always something that's difficult, but I'm going back confident that I can do that. So I really want to use this opportunity to thank the program coordinators, all our instructors, particularly Dr. Shohan, Dr. Akajen, and all the other faculties who devoted time giving us hands-on training and giving us personalized feedback. It's really a wonderful experience, and I would really want to recommend this program to any other person who is aspiring to have hands-on training in laparoscopy. Thank you so much. I'm really grateful.